Good evening, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Today I'm filming at night, which I don't usually do. And I'm working in my No Sew Journal November journal. And today I'm going to be working on 3 prompts. And they are cut and paste, everyday items, and bold colors. This I thought I could use as a cut and paste, everyday item, and bold colors. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm also going to use some of these other everyday items that are right here. And I'm going to get my, oh, here's my glue. I'm going to keep trying to use this. I'm not sure if I like it. I'm not sure if it works good yet, but I'm trying to find a place to put this one. And I think, let's turn this around and look on this side. If there's any spot I'd like to put this down. And I think I see it either here or here. I think here is good. And I do think I'm going to try to ink around it a little bit in brown. And you might have noticed I did add a couple of stickers into this journal off camera. I don't know how well this is going to make it look better or not, but we'll try it. All right. And I think I'm going to just put it here, actually. So that's almost like my focal point on that page. So I had my grandson all day, and we had some fun. We went to Dollar General, and he found some more skeletons, little ones this time. And we went outside and walked the dog, and he went on, we have a swing and a little slide, and he was doing that today because it was pretty warm out. It was in the 40s, so it was nice out. And then I kind of like this one too. So I'm not sure though, like, I like this. I mean, how many everyday items do I need? I mean, you could just do one everyday item, I suppose. I like this cup though. I'm going to cut out the little area in here. And I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. I don't think I said that yet. And let's see where I want to put this. I did not get all the purple off of there, which is something that I would like to do. Oops. That looks pretty good. I don't think I need to ink that one. And I do like the apple. Is that like an everyday item usually, right? I think this would be pretty. I'm just not sure about cutting out in between the handles. It looks pretty delicate. But I guess we can try. The only thing that could go wrong is I destroy it, right? Could happen. You never know. I feel like I need to cut out a little more around the edges, too. Okay. Trying to remember to stay on camera. And then we do have this one up here too. So I guess I would consider these the focal points of whatever page I put them on. Not bad. I do feel like I need to trim a little bit, like in here. Maybe around here. It's difficult not to destroy it. This one is really, I think, too tiny. And a little bit on this side, and I do think I'm going to ink this one. I feel like it might look better if I do. Alright. I just watched Murder in a Small Town. Ugh, that was a scary one. I don't know why I do that to myself. Usually it's not as scary as this one was. Do you watch that show? What shows do you watch? Okay. So I think we already have a pot, so I think I'll leave this pot here. And I don't think I'll use that. Or, I don't know, maybe I will use the pot. We'll see. I'm going to put two on each side, or maybe 3 on each side. So, maybe I'll put the tea, or maybe I should put the pots and pans with this little recipe. Was there a recipe on the other side too? Yeah. So we could put the recipes on there. I mean, the pots and pans on there, or maybe this one would look better. I do kind of like that one better here, so let's do that. I didn't think I was even going to use it. I always want to try to find journaling supplies on Black Friday, and I never can find any. Maybe here. Yeah, right there. Good. Alright, and also, get back to this side. We have this little cup. So I don't want to put both cups on the same side, but I'm thinking maybe here. Right there, or off to the side. Maybe not. Maybe here? I don't know. No. What about the apple? You'll see that I added this sticker and this sticker here. I really like this little moth. What about the apple right there? Yeah, let's put the apple on that page. I don't know if I would consider that a focal point, though, for that page, but I don't know. And then this cup, where could that go? Could go here, or how about on this page? I kind of like it right there, actually. So that's going to go there. Okay, now we've got 3 added things on that side, and we've got the one pot here. Let's see how this would look somewhere. does kind of look nice there. What about here? No, I don't like it there. Oh, maybe right here. Yeah, I think that's it. Which side though? That side or that side? I like them in both. Let's put it there. Are you doing this challenge? If so, let me know and I'll check out your pages. Okay, and then we still have this, which I don't know. Not sure where this would go. It does kind of look nice right here, actually. No, I don't know. I don't know about that one. Maybe we'll leave it as it is. And what about the blender? That's another everyday item. Maybe we could try the blender. Alright. Let's see how the blender looks first. Okay, so that could go there. I think I will ink around this one in black though. Okay, there we go. That could go there. It's not too bad. I don't know, I really like these pots and pans too. Maybe I will find a spot for them somewhere. But first, let's see. Maybe pots and pans there. No, this one's about prayer. What about that like that? Or this? Actually, I think I'm going to put that there. I think that does look okay. Right here. Okay. And I guess we'll save this one for something else. Yeah, I think we'll save this one for something else, although it does look okay there, but yeah. That's it for this episode. And so we have, let's cross off what we did. But first, I will put my lid on the glue. Actually, I'm not sure this glue is working that great on the, especially the washi tape. Alright, so we worked on cut and paste. Where is that one? Cut and paste. Everyday items. And bold colors. Okay, and so I'm going to cross off the ones that I'm not doing on here too, but I have another tag cut and ready to, I think, do a mini collage on. Maybe some coffee stains. I don't know. We'll see, but that'll be in the next video. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.